Now, let me show you how to register to the HFM and how to do everything, including connecting and placing your first trade. Now, after registering, after clicking the link that I provided, it will take you to this page. This is where you'll be provided with this register button. Make sure that you click it. And the first thing that you're going to be filling here is the individual, that is the country they are from, and your email. So for the Kenyans, you select Kenya here. And for Ugandan, you select Uganda, Tanzania, just like that. And then you put your valid email that is working, because there's a account that will be sent there, and you click register. You put a very strong email that includes something like @ stroke, all those things, a special character to make it more strong. After that email has been sent to your side and you confirm this, congratulations, you have passed the first step of registering and having an account, one step away to the forex trading. Now let's move to the step number 2. It will take you to this page where you actually have to be putting your names, that is your name, you can see first name and the last name. Make sure that you just like that. You select the gender, you can either be putting Kenya shillings or USD, then you confirm like that. On the address, you can search on Google where you are from, which is the address there, and then you can just select like that, which is actually very simple like that. The next thing is you can just select anything like that, estimated worthy. You can select anyway, just to fill out this is not that important in your case. College, where are you from, your education level, you student, something like that. Industry, where do you work? So sometimes you not be working all these, but you can select either one of them. How did you know about forex? You can see about partner that are referred to you. You can just select there the source of the fund. How did you hear about us? So those information you just click and selecting, you can go through them. It's not of must that you just, it's good to even like just click like that. So you can see refund by a partner and from Kenya. Now congratulations, you have passed that one. Let's move to another one. Your experience, I really want you to follow this keenly. Just select like less than 1 year, okay, and select all those information that are necessary there, like all these. You can see the result that I've applied right here, and just click the same, okay, apply the same. You can even pause this video and check the ones that I've placed there, and then click save and continue. Make sure that you select those ones that the way I've answered if you don't get the same questions. All right, then it will take us to these steps, and congratulations, you have passed another step, and we are on the final touches right now. Now it will just take you to this page where you can select different between all these accounts, and because of my experience that I have, I really want to recommend that you use premium. You can see we have all these accounts that you can create, but I really want to recommend premium account. You can see the minimum deposit is, there's no minimum deposit that is required. You select that one, you fill in your personal details, that is the phone number. It will prompt you where you put your date of birth. Make sure that that is correct. The reason this has to be correct is because it will be linked to your ID, and that is very important, because anytime you want to withdraw money, it can only come to your M-Pesa, your only number, and not to anyone else, in case someone access your account or that, or maybe someone you get hacked, of which is very hard, because I know there's a tight security around that area. Make sure that you put the correct details and correct date of birth that matches your ID. All right, now you click confirm, and then you have completed that step. And remember, this account, the reason we are setting all this, there is a account that will be sent on your phone for verification. You just come and put it like that, and okay, it's a one-time password OTP. Then you go to the next step, and then you have completed this step. Congratulations, then you are this password. So remember, the first part when we placed, this is another password. The password that you'll be placing here is the password that you'll be using on MT5. We'll be coming there, I'll be showing it. Remember something called MT5. I want you to put that in the end. MT5, you put a password, you can even put the same, no problem. But you see, now you have the account ID that is here, the login that is 54, that is account ID, the server, the platform is MT5. That password you'll be using it on MT5. But remember, our account is not verified, so all we just have to do now is now to go and verify our account right now so that we can make a deposit and start trending in a very easy way. All right, remember now there's a first password we used, that is the password for logging into HFM. The second password, the last we have entered recently, is for using on MT5. I'll showing you how I'll be using that. That is the first thing I really want you to remember before we proceed. You go to the verification there, you see something be telling you pending. You make sure that you click that, you upload your document. All right, it will take you to this page. I confirm and to renew privacy and all that. Remember, you have to like take picture of your, you can use ID, driver license, of passport if you have it, but remember this platform is guided by CMA, so any details that you upload here is for your privacy and is not disclosed to anyone. It's for the security purposes and to provide legitimacy. Okay, so you just come here to the camera, you select, and then you take picture in front of your ID. You go to the second one, you take the back of your ID, and then it will just take like few minutes and your account will be verified if it is during the business working hours. All right, are we together? So I hope from there we are still together. Now after that, your account now will be verified like the way I'm going to be showing you in the next one. But after achieving all those results, remember now you are good to go and you are remaining only by your ID to be verified. So I'm going to be making my ID to be verified here, and then we're just going to proceed from there. Now I have submitted my document, and you can see document is submitted and you have successfully been verified. That is something you can see now. It will not be pending, so I'll be verified anytime. Now I can proceed to deposit and go back to home, or you can click, if you just want to go to home, directed to the home page, you can click HFM, then you click deposit on the account, and then you can go to, or if you have M-Pesa and not bank transfer or can't, then you scroll down, you see for the M-Pesa users, you can see M-Pesa, Airtel Money, where this money, mobile money, right? And then around this area you see the amount of money I want to deposit, 3,000 Kenya shillings. I'll be using the number below, so I really deposit, and I really urge you, don't really use this numbers for personal uses. All right, okay, so I'm also using this account to just demonstrate. Okay, now you just click proceed, and then okay, it will prompt you on your phone to put pin. If your phone is around, make sure that your phone is around and it's on and it has money. It will be it will push you a STK there, and then you just click that and the money you deposit into your account like this. So when I click this arrow, you see there's 3,000 has been deposited to my account. I'm using different phone that you have not seen me put in the pin. Okay, now that's why you can see now the money is deposited. Let's now go to the MT5. If you don't have the MT5, go to the Play Store or App Store, click MetaTrader 5 and download it. And then after downloading it, you see something like that. Go on those three arrows and click get started. You see the plus button on the right side up there, that plus button. You make sure that you click it and then type here HFM. Okay, just like that. And then you see HFM here. HFM Investment Limited. You click the first one, you will see the logo is different from the second one. So remember, login is the details. Remember that login, that is 54 something like that. The one I told you is the login, okay, of your account that you are given. Okay, but remember now the password that I told you will be putting to the MT5. Now that is the password. In case you put all these things and you see it's not working, the password, you didn't get it correct, then you can go back to MT5 and click this setting things that is around that area, and you click that, and then it will take you to this page where you can see change trending password. You put the password that you are convenient with. Remember, this is not the login password that you'll be using to log into the HFM. Is the password that you'll be connecting it to the MT5. So you can see we have a login that is 54 something like that, and then we have set a new trending password, and then we connect it to HFM like that, and your 3,000 will reflect here, and you are ready now to trend. After 2 hours, I took my first trend, and see what really happened. From these 3,000 Kenya shillings, we made 917. That is the first trend we took. Remember, this is like $20. The second trend we got 555. You can do the calculations and you see it's exact, and you can see now out of 24 hours, out of that time we had been trading, we made 1,467, which is like 50% of the money we deposited, which is amazing. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I hope I've shown you the whole process. Goodbye and see you.